When Sea-Doo put out the Explorer Pro, they were reaching out to an audience, a vocal audience, who say, we ride during off-season where it's cold. We ride in areas that are cold and uncomfortable. And we go up rivers and through lakes and all these different areas that aren't Florida, that aren't the Colorado River, that aren't California, that aren't these touristy spots. We dress up warm. We dress up in dry suits. We bring all of our gear with us, and we're gone for 2 days. And that's what the Explorer was. The Explorer was a response to those people. The Fish Pro was precisely a response to a burgeoning market, a growing market of people who are, I want to fish for my jet ski. And I want a jet ski that's going to be stable, that I can stand both feet in the footwells, or that will have the GPS and have the dual battery system and have all these modifications. Think about everything that comes on a Fish Pro, especially the trophy. Think of these things and realize the industry leader, Sea-Doo is the industry leader. That's not to say one is better than the other. That's just to say facts are facts, and Sea-Doo is the industry leader, both in sales, in product line, and innovation. They're the industry leader. They are. Okay? So, all that being said, consider the fact of the Fish Pro, or the Fish Pro Trophy. They are responding to market demand. They're directly responding to market demand. Dealers are going, man, they're talking to their dealer reps, and their dealer reps communicate to the manufacturer, and they go, boy, everyone in the Southeast, they're all going fishing with their jet skis. Boy, and people are putting GPS touchscreens on their skis, and they're putting coolers on it, and they're trying to plumb, live well tanks. And boy, you should see all these guys who are modifying their skis. And Sea-Doo goes, interesting. And then in 2015, I sit down with the brand manager of Sea-Doo, and I sit down with the head of product development with Sea-Doo at an open top restaurant here on Old Hickory Lake when they introduced the first 300 engines. So it was 2016. So it was fall of 2015 here in Nashville. I sit down. I got Jerry Gaddis sitting at one table with Tim McKercher, and we got Ronnie Mack from Pro Rider there, and we're all sitting around. And Rick Lake was there, but I'm sitting with the two guys from Sea-Doo, and they go, what are we missing, Kevin? I go, excuse me? They go, what are we missing? I go, I'll tell you what you're missing. They go, what's that? I go, make a fishing jet ski. And they go, really? I go, yeah, make a fishing jet ski. And why is that? Well, you should look at what the Australians are doing. You should look at what the South Africans are doing. You should look at what the Hawaiians are doing. Oh, really? Oh. Well, who do you think we should talk to? I'm like, there's a guy named Andrew down in New Zealand. You should talk to him. Oh, do you have his contact info? I'm like, no, because I don't really know him, but here's his YouTube channel. Go check him out. Okay. Hey, you should talk to this guy out in North Carolina. Oh, yeah? Yeah, Brian writes for me every now and again. Brian Lockwood. You should talk to him. Oh, okay. And we set him up with all these different people. Well, guess what? What comes out in 2019? Fish Pro. They were feeling me out. Just so happens, I was exactly on the right. I was over target. I was directly over Berlin. All right. Totally over target. The real conversation has to be with Sea-Doo if you want to change the industry. Because I already gave this long diatribe about the Spark. The Spark was direct response to customer demand. It was. The Spark was direct response to customer demand. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.